Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Tech with Nick. I'm your host Niklas, and today I'm going to show you how I use the power of AI to generate subtitles for all my videos. The best part, it's completely free, and I'll show you just how to set it up in this video. So let's get started. Alright guys, before we get started, there's a couple of tools you need. The first one is Git. You can get that from the link in the description. The second one you need is FFmpeg, and I recommend using Brew to install it. Next we need to clone this GitHub repository, whisper.cpp. The whisper.cpp is basically the openAI Whisper model made as a C++ file, so you can run it on pretty much any device. To clone this, all you gotta do is hit the code here and copy the URL. Next, you're going to open a terminal window. Inside your terminal, I recommend going to a folder where you want to store this, so I'll go to the documents folder. Inside here, I'll hit the git clone and paste in the URL. In my case, the folder already exists. The next step is to follow the quick start guide on the GitHub page. All links will be in the description. In the quick start guide, we need to download one of the models. I'll just use the base one. There's multiple models to choose from, and you can see them all on this page. All you gotta do is copy this, the same terminal window as before, and cd into your whisper.cpp folder. Inside here, you'll paste in the command and run the model. Next step is to run the make command. So all you gotta do is inside this folder, just run make, and this will compile all the models needed. Next step is in the description, you'll find a link to my GitHub repository. In this, you'll see this process audio bash script, and we'll need to use this. You need to clone the GitHub repository like we did before. So copy the link, go into your terminal, cd out of this folder and into where you want to put it. I'll put it in my documents, git clone, and paste the URL again. Then what you need to do is change the directory into the newly created generate subtitles folder. In this, you'll find the script to convert your audio files to subtitles. What we need to do now is change up bash script a little bit. You'll need folder for where you copied your whisper.cpp folder. I'll just open a new tab here, go back to documents and cd into the whisper.cpp. Here I'll run the pwd command and get the working path. Copy this and go back to the generate subtitles where I have the bash script. In here I'll open the process.audio shell script, and inside here I'll go to the line 16 where you have to change the path to the whisper folder, and this needs to be the full path. So I'll just add it here, exit out of this file again. With that done, we're ready to export our audio file to this folder. So what I normally do is just open up Final Cut Pro. Inside here I'll open the file menu and share and export the audio. So what you need to do is make sure it's audio only and VAV. Just hit export and we'll name it something else like some audio. This will export it to the desktop. What you need to do then is open up the cloned GitHub folder where you have the script, drag and drop the audio file in here. When that's done, we need to open up the terminal again. You'll need to run the pwd command, get the full path, and then you'll need to run the script by running // and then the name of the script, process audio, and then the full path to the VAV file we just generated. So I'll just copy paste this and just some audio, and by hitting enter, you'll start generating the subtitles. This was pretty quick. Then you'll see in your folder, you have a couple of new files, where the most important one is obviously this SRT file that looks like this. Alright guys, this is how I generate the subtitles using AI, and now you can too. If this video was helpful for you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, and let me know in the comments how this has helped you, or if you have any other good tips for me. I would love to see them. I'll see you in the next video.